An explosion at 9:15 on the 9th of December. What happened?
It was a big boom. I don't know what the fuck.
We were doing trash right over there, and a huge explosion shook everywhere. That's all we can tell. I can see, almost looks like that's bad. Something bad has happened.
That might be 3 Amigos, dude.
It could be a tanker.
Could be 3 Amigos, man. That's directly towards 3 Amigos.
Oh, I sure hope not.
Let's go look at it. Let's go far.
No. Hey, it was this huge explosion exploded, dude, and if you look towards the
Hey, watch on the news and call me if you see anything. I mean, because we can literally feel it from like 2 miles away.
Dude, yeah. Dude, where are you at? Catch up with us. We're going to go check it out.
No, I mean, like, there's a, you could probably see it from y'all's
All right.
Yeah,
a huge explosion, dude. I'm talking like,
monster. We're going to go try to
I
find
don't
it.
know,
Watch
man.
the
It's
news and see
terrible.
if you can All right,
Check. Yeah, like scared Jeremy and I, like something bad. It could be a tanker. It could be 3 Amigos, dude.
something blew the fuck
I'm
up.
telling you. Yeah, you should see it, dude. It's the hugest black cloud you'll ever see. I got it on film right now. Yeah, it's right on the lake. It's over in Kima area. Explosion happened like 20 minutes ago. Don't know what it is. Going to check it out. Bad is what it is. That cloud's taken 5 to 10 minutes to make that big of a cloud. Something's wrong.
Big time.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's still on fire for sure.
Yeah, whatever it was, it's extra gnarly explosion.
It looks, Kima's more like this way.
It looks up towards Bay Area, like chemical plants off Bay Area.
It's called Rambo.
Bay Area and something's really fucked up.
You'll maybe get a good view right
That's
there.
just going to be an awesome deal for somebody out there. But no matter what you're looking for, think Gulf Dodge.
Trying to find someone on the radio.
Buen nombre de nuestros.
Yeah, that is.
Craziness. Is it like a plant or a gas station or?
Hey, tell you to call her right back.
Okay, well let me call you right back. But my mom said it's at 146 in Fairmont, and my dad thinks there's a chemical plant back there, a small one, if he remembers correctly from where his working days. It's a chemical plant.
Get it, Jeremy.
Of course it's in here.
It's zoomed up, but it's the plus. That's a chemical plant for sure, man. Oh, man. Stop.
That is fucked, man.
That's bad, brother.
Yeah, it is. Somebody's hurt.
Yeah. Alright, now we know what it is. I'm glad it's not 3 Amigos.
Yeah, no, it was right that direction.
Can you imagine how loud it was, like, a little bit closer?
Oh, yeah.
Jeez.
We're touching land. I know for sure on refuges and shit you can't hunt blinds, but I could be wrong. I don't know about public shit. I've never had it.
On the phone with us right now, and she has spoken to thousands.
Did a phone call out to the parents of the children affected by the shelter in place, and that phone call should be reaching households.
Stay safe.